Are your marketing emails going straight to spam? You're not alone. Introducing Woodpecker, the game-changing tool that transforms your cold outreach. Keep your emails out of spam. Our algorithm mimics human behavior for maximum deliverability. Automate your email warm-up and validate contacts for free. You'll see 20 to 30% higher response rates. Craft personalized emails that feel one-to-one. Time zone settings and tailored follow-ups make it easy. Let smart automation do the work for you. Send follow-ups until you get a reply. Why struggle alone? Start using Woodpecker today and amplify your outreach success.